quite say on this that all the fibers of the wood need to go perfectly parallel, because it doesn't damage it for them to turn this way. But all of them have to stay parallel to these two planes. So it's harmless to turn that a little bit like that.
Bzzz. 2 flat surfaces. Another pass will cut more and more until you meet the center. Then you have a flat surface.
You can also tip the table to make a bevel cut by coming around, unlocking this here, and then tilt the table to desired angle. I think I'm going to get right about there and lock this secure, and I'm going to do one cut. And this is what I made. Little serving tray.
We're going to use a pneumatic staple gun. These take 1/4-inch crown staples that slide in, and you clip it shut. If you feel your thumb across there, you can feel when they're level and when they're not.
Since you need that strength, this is the one place in woodworking where you have to have the grain opposition to achieve a strong frame.